Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to read a chapter from our CBSE States of Class UKG. The chapter name is Circle. So let's start reading. Listen,
Listen,
read,
read,
and draw.
and draw.
One day, Mohini was sitting
Mohini was sitting
with her grandmother.
with her grandmother.
Grandmother drew a circle.
Grandmother drew a circle.
Can you draw a circle?
Can you draw a circle?
Mohini?
Mohini?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Soon Mohini drew a circle.
Soon Mohini drew a circle.
Now I'll draw a ball.
Now I will draw a ball.
Grandmother drew
Grandmother drew
3 lines on the circle.
3 lines on the circle.
Mohini drew
Mohini drew
3 lines on her circle.
3 lines on her circle.
It really looked like a ball.
It really looked like a ball.
Now let's draw a balloon.
Now let's draw a balloon.
Grandmother added
Grandmother added
a zigzag line
a zigzag line
to the circle.
to the circle.
Oh, it really looks like a balloon.
It really looked like a balloon.
Mohini clapped with joy.
Mohini clapped with joy.
Mohini drew many circles,
Mohini drew many circles,
big and small circles,
big and small circles,
red, blue,
blue,
green, and yellow circles.
and yellow circles.
She also added
She also added
zigzag lines to these.
zigzag lines to these.
And now,
And now
there were many balloons.
there were many balloons.
Can you draw something else
Can you draw something else
with a circle?
with a circle?
Asked grandmother.
Asked grandmother.
Yes,
Yes,
said Mohini.
said Mohini.
She drew a wheel,
She drew a wheel,
a moon,
a moon,
a sun,
a sun,
a rabbit,
a rabbit,
and her own face.
and her own face.
Manorama Jaffa.
Manorama Jaffa.
New words.
New words.
Ball,
Ball,
blue,
blue,
circles,
circle,
lines,
lines,
moon.
moon.
Let's read.
Let's read.
I can draw a circle.
I can draw a circle.
The moon is round.
The moon is round.
Reading is fun.
Reading is fun.
What did grandmother
What did grandmother
and Mohini
and Mohini
draw first?
draw first?
What were the colors
What were the colors
of the balloons
of the balloons
that Mohini drew?
that Mohini drew?
Let's draw.
Let's draw.
In the circles below, draw.
In the circles below, draw.
What grandmother drew?
What grandmother drew?
What Mohini drew?
What Mohini drew?
Look at these shapes.
Look at these shapes.
Try making these shapes into
Try making these shapes into
a car,
a car,
a house, a door,
a door,
anything else.
anything else.
Draw along the dots.
Draw along the dots.
So what did you make?
So what did you make?
Can you make sounds
Can you make sounds
like a train?
like a train?
Draw a face
Draw a face
on the balloon below.
on the balloon below.
One has been done for you.
One has been done for you.
Let's read and write.
Let's read and write.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Mango, nut, orange, peach. Look at the picture
Look at the picture
and fill in the blanks.
and fill in the blanks.
Dog,
Dog,
bull,
bull,
elephant,
elephant,
owl,
owl,
horse,
horse,
cat.
cat.
Unit 5.
Unit 5.
Teacher's pages.
Teacher's pages.
Poem,
Poem.
merry-go-round.
Merry-go-round.
Story,
Story.
circle.
Circle.
Activities now have
Activities now have
more to do with
more to do with
what the children like to do.
what the children like to do.
You can try this.
You can try this.
Make the children
Make the children
sit in a circle.
sit in a circle.
Ask a child
Ask a child
to start counting
to start counting
from number 1.
from number 1.
The child
The child
sitting next to him or her
sitting next to him or her
continues with number 2,
continues with number 2,
and so on.
and so on.
The child
The child
who has to say number 5 or 10
who has to say number 5 or 10
says hey.
says hey.
And the next child
And the next child
starts with number 1 again.
starts with number 1 again.
Draw a circle on the floor
Draw a circle on the floor
with a piece of chalk.
with a piece of chalk.
Let the children walk
Let the children walk
along the drawn line.
along the drawn line.
Ask them to hold a book
Ask them to hold a book
or
or
any object in one hand
any object in one hand
and walk along the line.
and walk along the line.
Talk to them
Talk to them
about balancing things.
about balancing things.
Ask them
Ask them
if they feel giddy
if they feel giddy
on a merry-go-round.
on a merry-go-round.
Develop listening skills.
Develop listening skills.
The children
The children
can be taken outdoors
can be taken outdoors
during the break
during the break
and allowed to eat
and allowed to eat
their snacks there.
their snacks there.
Let them talk to each other
Let them talk to each other
about the different tastes of food.
about the different tastes of foods.
Ask children
Ask children
to speak to the point
speak to the point
and take turns.
and take turns.
Also inculcate in them
Also inculcate in them
a habit of listening
a habit of listening
when others speak.
when others speak.
Develop pronunciation.
Develop pronunciation.
Read the following words
Read the following words
and say aloud with the children.
and say aloud with the children.
Around,
Around,
bound,
bound,
round,
brown,
down,
down,
found,
found,
ground,
down,
sound.
sound.
Exposure to language.
Exposure to language.
Display the following sight words
Display the following sight words
in the classroom
in the classroom
and let the children
and let the children
read them aloud.
read them aloud.
Circle,
Circle,
line,
line,
oval,
oval,
square,
square,
triangle,
triangle,
zigzag.
zigzag.
Develop speaking skills.
Develop speaking skills.
Children can play
Children can play
farmers in the den
farmers in the den
or any other song
or any other song
of their choice.
of their choice.
The farmers in the den, the farmers in the den. Hi-yo the cheerio, the farmers in the den. The farmer wants a wife, the wife wants a child, the child wants a nurse, the nurse wants a dog, the dog wants a bone, the dog wants a bone, the dog wants a bone. The farmers in the den, the farmers in the den. Develop writing skills
Develop writing skills
or
or
fine motor coordination.
fine motor coordination.
1. Write the letters
Write the letters
from A to Q
from A to Q
on the blackboard.
on the blackboard.
Let the children
Let the children
read and write
read and write
from the blackboard
from the blackboard
and the picture dictionary.
and the picture dictionary.
Children should not be forced
Children should not be forced
or pressurized
or pressurized
to recognize words
to recognize words
or letters.
or letters.
This can be done
This can be done
through pictures or actions.
through pictures or actions.
Use activity sheets
Use activity sheets
and a notebook
and a notebook
to further encourage
to further encourage
the patterns
the pattern
as on pages 57,
as on pages 57,
60,
60,
61,
61,
62,
62,
63
63,
and any extra exercises
and any extra exercises
that the children
that the children
want to do.
want to do.
2.
To
Pour water
pour water
from one container to another,
from one container to another.
raising awareness.
Raising awareness.
Tell the class
Tell the class
that we must
that we must
cover our food from flies.
cover our food from flies.
Material required:
Material required:
2 glasses
2 glasses
or cups
or cups
or pots
or pots
and water.
and water.